So you click on what looks like a simple recipe video. But is that all it is? On the surface, yeah, it's about making a healthy cake. But if you look a little closer, there's a second, much more interesting recipe at play. Let's break down what's really going on here. Okay, so you've got your ingredients for the cake. Oats, carrots, eggs, walnuts, all very healthy, simple, and to the point. But you know what? These are not the ingredients for a successful YouTube channel. For that, you need a completely different recipe, one that's engineered for engagement, not just for flavor. And that is the core idea of what we're digging into here. We're looking at two recipes happening at the exact same time. One is for baking a healthy treat. The other, the one we're about to deconstruct, is for baking a loyal and engaged online community. The first recipe, the one for the cake, it starts right in the video's title. This isn't just a list of ingredients, it's practically a declaration. It's a powerful signal designed to catch a very specific audience. People who want to be healthy, but, still want a treat. This is the foundation of the entire strategy. And believe me, this recipe was not chosen by accident. It's a really smart move we're calling the healthy hook. And it's designed to reel in viewers by offering a solution to a super common problem. Let's look at what makes it so darn effective. Okay, so look at this. This slide lays out the hook perfectly. The whole value proposition is a simple trade. You get all the good stuff on the left, natural ingredients, health benefits, while getting to avoid everything on the right, the processed flour, the refined sugar, the complicated steps. It's basically a guilt-free indulgence. And that simple promise is a crucial first step to get you to click. But once they've got you hooked with the promise of a healthy cake, the creator starts throwing in a whole new set of ingredients. And these aren't for the cake. They are for starting and sustaining a constant conversation with you. This line, it shows up right at the beginning of the video. And this isn't just the creator being polite. It's a strategic opening move. They're setting an expectation from the very first minute. This channel is a two-way street. I speak, you respond, and I promise I'm going to listen. And they don't just listen. They actively, and I mean relentlessly, ask for that response. We actually went through the short transcript for this video and found over 15 direct requests for engagement. That's more than one question every 10 seconds. This isn't a conversation, it's an engagement blitz designed to maximize interaction. Now, this constant questioning isn't just random chaos. As you can see, it follows a simple but incredibly effective formula. Step 1, ask a direct question. Step 2, let them know their input is valued. And step 3, immediately do it all over again. This creates this continuous loop that pulls the viewer deeper and deeper into the interaction. So what's the point of all this? All these engagement ingredients have one ultimate purpose. They're all being mixed together to transform passive viewers who just wanted a recipe into active, committed participants. In other words, they're not just making a cake, they're baking a community. I mean, look at this line. It really cuts right to the chase, doesn't it? There's no subtlety here at all. It's an explicit invitation to communicate in the comments. It officially turns that space from just a feedback box into a community forum, a place to connect. And you gotta pay attention to the kind of questions they're asking here. They aren't just, did you like the video? They are personal. Things like, which flour do you like best? Or from which country you're watching? By asking for your specific opinions and experiences, the creator makes every single viewer feel seen as an individual. That strengthens their connection to the channel and, just as importantly, to each other. All right, so let's put all the pieces together. What we're looking at isn't really a recipe for a cake, is it? What we have is a clear, repeatable playbook. This is the real secret recipe here, the one for building a successful channel from the ground up. This table lays out the entire system. It all starts with the healthy hook, to pull in the right kind of audience. Then you've got the open loop, that promise that their comments will be read, which invites them to speak up. That's immediately followed by the engagement barrage, those 15+ questions, to keep them talking. And it all culminates in the community call, which turns all that interaction into a real sense of belonging. So after all that work to build this tight-knit community, what's the end game? Well, it's conversion. After making the viewer feel heard, valued, and included, the creator makes the final urgent plea. Just subscribe right now. It's the totally logical conclusion to a long and very carefully constructed relationship. So if there's one thing you take away from all this, let it be this. The creator isn't just baking a cake. The cake is the medium, not the message. The real product, the thing being meticulously crafted with every single question and every call to action, is the community itself. And that leaves us with one final, kind of provocative thought to chew on. The next time you're watching a video and you're asked for your opinion, it's worth asking yourself, are you just a viewer enjoying the show? Or have you become a key ingredient in someone else's recipe for success?